Ooh, look at that. I'm going to open my box. So this is the
brand new ticket because there's pictures.
Hey, how about that? I got another ticket in Philly. How about that? How about that? For what? For what?
Oh.
What did I do now?
I'm reading.
All right, so this is my T688. I don't know why there's extra tape on it. Speeding! How about that? How fast was I going? Because I drive slow in Philly all the time now. Like, of course it was. Every camera system's...
You ran a red light.
Well, that I may have done.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I wasn't speeding.
You did do it because there's pictures.
But I wasn't speeding this time, that's for sure. I said, I don't speed anymore when I go to Philly. Woo! This is the unboxing of my S488 T6 for the Monte Carlos. Oh, I can't wait to start getting this closer and closer and closer and closer. God. Hold on, let's prop you up here. Let's see if we can't get this out without hurting my back anymore. Is the lighting bad? What? They don't come with V-band clamps? What the shit? What the shit? Isn't that's what what?
I'm not going to talk about it while you're doing it.
What the shit? That's what Deadpool always says.
Deadpool?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited.
We love you.
So S400 frame T80 S488. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. Brand Nubian with the billet wheel.